Hi, Toosters and two bits. Woo, we on Crocodile Dundee today. And my paint man ain't on his job. He let him sit like this in the showroom all dusty. My paint man ain't on his job, man. But yeah, man, y'all see it, man. Today is convertible top day. We just got the old pond up out of here. We just drained Lake Murray. So we finna get this old well line out of here. Make a completely new one. This pond. Yeah. Ton of water. Ton of water. But that's light work, man. You can see, man, we done got it all dynamited. Fixed the holes in the floor. Welded the new plate in. Now we just started dynamiting this sucker here. We'll carry it up to the back in a few. All of the old pads off. The old top. We got the new top here. We're going with a dark blue on this one as well. Dark blue cloth top with the hard glass in the back. Easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And like I say, man, this one here gonna be nice and clean, man. We get the forges mounted up for it. So next week, man, the interior is completely about done on this one here. The interior is about done. So as soon as the carpet kit come in, after we get all this dirty part out the way, is put the top on so we won't be stepping all on the new stuff and getting it dirty. Next week, we'll start putting it in. Vintage Air be getting installed. Vintage Air, Dakota Digital, man, the LS3, all of that's been painted for the car. So we'll get all of that stuff starting to get installed next week on this one here, man. We'll get a lot of leg room caught up on this one here. So it should be pretty dope, man. We still waiting on all of the weather stripping to come. They've been on back order for a while. But once they come in, we'll start putting all of the weather stripping and stuff in. I'm going to definitely build them 2 new panels for the back, the rear bottoms, to add them a pair of 6.5s in on that. Of course, we're building a console. Yeah, we are building a console with that big hump, ain't it? Yeah, we are. So we're building a console. We got to put a pair of 6.5s on each side of it. All of the bumpers and stuff are at chrome. They getting chrome now. We got the new door weather stripping on. I got what they could, the U-jams, and I got what they had. I got what they had. You can see we cleaned the frame. Cleaned the frame, put the new upper control arms, the new lower control arms. We got all new inner and outer tie rods that got to be installed next. The new center link. All of those will be going on next once we drop this fender well here, so we can run all of the hoses behind the back side of it for the Vintage Air. So it'll make it still nice and clean up here. Won't see so many hoses and wires, and we just try to keep it nice and clean on this side of town. All of this here are get tucked behind the inside of the fender well as well. New master cylinder and brake booster. You know, the whole 9 yards, man. Some of this stuff is a little bit too cheap to be just trying to continue to salvage. I got the big brake kit coming on the way for that one, man. As you know, I do not use wheel wood. I'm a Brembo type of guy. I'm a Brembo type of guy, man. I like them Brembos. They come on the ZL1 Camaros. They come on the Chargers, the Hellcats, the Cadillac CTSVs. Man, and they work pretty good. They work damn good to be on factory vehicles that's rated at 500 horsepower and plus. So I got a guy that make the brake kits for these B-bodies. He gonna make the brake kits the same ones he done for my car and a couple other vehicles, the Chevelles. I got the 4-piston Brembos, what we'll be putting on this one with the 14-inch rotors. We can't do them little pew-pews, man. We can't do them little pew-pews on here. We really got to stop this thing. So that's where we're going to be at on that, man, on the front and the rear. The rear end should be back in about 2 weeks. In about 2 weeks, then we'll be installing the new rear end with the disc brakes. We getting it shortened 2.5 inches on each side. So we'll know we got enough clearance for the 26 by 12s we putting on here with the 8-inch outer. 8-inch outer lip. 9-inch outer lip. Hell, I don't know. Let me go see. Let me go see myself. What size lip on this sucker? Oh. 26 by 11 with an 8-inch outer. Sorry. 8-inch outer on here. So y'all see it, man. 4G Auto, the TOs, copper gold, copper rose gold. Boy, these things gonna eat on here, man. Y'all know I keep the rim lady working, man. You eat them deals, you know she got them wheels, man. So a shout out with this one here, got the floating caps. Hit me up. Let's get that wheel order in, man. Let's get that wheel order in. But like I say, Crocodile Dundee is finna be looking like a piece of art in a few minutes. Gas tank is on order. We're gonna get this stance right. And boy, once we start putting everything on it, boy. Sheesh. Sheesh. I think my guy wanna do one more flow coat on this one, man. 600 and flow coat the whole thing. He burnt through a couple little small spots on it. So he'll be touching some of those little spots up. Here. Little easy work. Little light work. Little light work, man. New York Knicks finna come through on them. Yes, son. What you got, boy? Pepsi and the Mountain Dew? Yeah. Which one mine? Snack man, snack man.
Yeah, that's me.
I thought you just said you was drinking your drink, so you had to go to the store. You out?
Yeah, I took it off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. So Big Gloss, he got to get this thing here all the way back 100 for us. He got to get it all the way back 100 for us. Easy?
Peasy. Easy peasy.
All right, man. So Dean been swimming. As you can see, he been swimming, man. He wore his swimming trunks today. So we'll get all this water up out of here, man. It'll be dry in no time. A little light work. So all of the tack strips still look good on this thing here. So that's a plus. Is the tack strip still good? And while we got this off, man, we'll start putting that new trim on. Putting all of the trim back on, shall I say. Look at all that water be sitting back there. Whew. All right, man, so that's about that on that, man. As you can see, this orange is really going to be popping. Put a new glove box lock in here. As you can see, man, we try to wrap it all. We try to wrap everything in the car, man. Durability lasts longer. And you get a great, great job in the end. So, y'all know we do what we do. This car already have factory power windows, so we didn't have to buy power windows for that one. This one here is definitely needs some rollers. It need the rollers for this one, but we got those. I got new rollers for these, so we'll pop those on so the windows will stay in track and won't be dropping down. Other than that, man, y'all see Crocodile Dundee, man. I'm going to tune y'all back in about a week. Then I want y'all to tell me what y'all think once we start getting that stance together. Sheesh.